Alright folks, today I got the iRobot Roomba 561 model. This Roomba is in excellent condition and it works great. And the battery here is very good. It lasts about an hour and 40 minutes. That's with carpet and hardwood mix. So they have just hardwood, will most likely last longer. So the battery is pretty good. There's some new batteries out there that last about an hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, the battery is really good. So I'll show you quickly what I got here. So I got extra brand new filter, an extra side brush. All right, brand new ones. Got two auto virtual walls. They do require two C-size batteries each. So yeah, this is the 561 model, so it has a newer software on it, so it works with the auto virtual walls. I got a charger here, or a power adapter, a docking station here. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. And here's the Roomba itself. So it's in great shape. There's just a couple of scuffs, maybe a little here or there from normal use. And on the pictures, you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. Alright, look over here. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice, clean and disinfected robot. Here's the three-legged brush, which is in great shape, and the front wheel is almost like new. There you go, 561. I'll remove the dustbin here. Alright. So as you can see, everything has been cleaned. And there's the serial number in case anybody interested in. And the brushes here have been cleaned also and disinfected. The clean head module here also had been cleaned out and re-lubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. So everything here has been tested to make sure everything works correctly. There's no issues with this robot. So I'll do a test run for you guys so you guys can see it works great. And I'll do a straight run, that way you guys see that the bumper sensors work correctly. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.